Hi everyone, today we're going to take a look at the 5 best 3D scanners in the market for this year. First, we're going to show you our 5 best picks, then we'll talk about what you should look for before buying a 3D scanner. You can find timestamps and links to all of the products we mentioned in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. Number 5. Sol 3D Scanner. Sol is a desktop laser scanner designed for scanning small yet detailed items with good accuracy for the price. The actual scanner itself weighs just 7 pounds and can scan objects that weigh up to 2 kilograms. This lightweight makes it a perfect portable 3D scanner if you're on the move, for example if you want to scan objects in different places. The Sol boasts an accuracy of around 0.1 millimeters, extremely good for the price range. You can scan objects with their included Sol 3D software, and you can then easily export your scans as OBJ or STL files and import them into a 3D slicer for 3D printing. The Danish company promotes this impressive 3D visualizer not only for makers or hobbyists, but also for entrepreneurs. They sell the Sol 3D scanning camera as a way for entrepreneurs to show their products off with a 360-degree view, with easy ways to share these scans on Facebook. Number 4. BQ Ciclop. Unlike many scanners, this DIY 3D scanner is open source with all the files hosted on Thingiverse for you to download and print. Ciclop has proven popular with tens of thousands of downloads on Thingiverse alone. DQ provide all of the information, software and electronics for this 3D scanner kit, which you can modify yourself on their website. The BQ Ciclop 3D scanner uses laser triangulation technology and can scan objects in a few minutes. Moreover, the instructions that BQ provide with the kit allow anyone, even a beginner, to assemble the scanner in under an hour. BQ hosts downloads for all the drivers for the camera and firmware that you need, and develop a specialized 3D scanner app called Horus for scanning on your Ciclop. Overall, a must-have scanner for the great features it offers. Number 3. Matter & Form V2 MFS 1V2. The Matter & Form V2 is an updated version of the original desktop 3D scanner made by the Canadian tech startup. This low-cost 3D scanner uses 2 lasers and an HD CMOS sensor to produce high-resolution, full-color 3D scans. The scanner has an accuracy of up to around 0.1 millimeters and is easily connectable to your computer through USB to transfer over your scans. For editing scans, the Matter & Form scanner comes with specialized MF Studio and Quickscan 3D software to make sure your scans look perfect. You can then export the .stl files and print them with your 3D printer. The 3D scanner can scan objects in size up to 25 centimeters tall and 18 centimeters in diameter. It's compatible with every major OS, so Mac users needn't worry. What we like most, however, is that it folds up, making it a perfect portable 3D scanner. Number 2. HPZ 3D. American giant HP have moved into both 3D printing and 3D scanning with their multi-jet fusion printers and their HPZ and HP SLS Pro 3 scanners. This cheaper model, the HPZ, cheaply and quickly turns your PC into both 3D and 2D scanner, able to scan standard documents and export them as JPEG and other file types, as well as 3D scan full objects. Acting as a 3D camera, simply mount the HPZ on your monitor and hold your chosen object in front of the scanner, rotating it so that the 3D sensor can pick up each side and texture. The HPZ uses SLAM fusion technologies to then construct the object as a 3D model, which you can export for 3D printing or editing in other software modeling tools. Number 1. Shining 3D EinScan SE. Shining 3D have made a name for themselves in the medium-range 3D scanning sector recently, with cheaper options such as the EinScan SE as well as more expensive scanners like the EinScan Pro 2X Plus. The EinScan SE is one of the best 3D object scanners in its price range. It scans in around 8 seconds versus 4 seconds for the EinScan SP, and can complete a whole 360-degree scan in its automatic scan mode in around 2 minutes. It can scan objects up to 200 mm wide and 150 mm tall, with a single-shot accuracy of around 0.1 mm, making it a great 3D printer scanner. Overall, this 3D model scanner is accurate, reliable, and makes it easy to quickly scan stationary objects and 3D print them with ease. The EinScan SP, its big brother, is more precise, but costs more. Now that we've shown you the best 3D scanners, let's talk about a few things you should look for before buying one. 3D scanner accuracy versus price. 3D scan accuracy varies considerably between technologies, and higher accuracy comes at a higher cost. The required tolerances of your final part can be a very helpful guide for determining your accuracy requirements for a 3D scanner. With accuracy in the range of 0.1 mm or better, laser and structured light scanners are a good fit alongside high-resolution 3D printers. Formlab's Form 3 stereolithography or SLA 3D printer produces parts at a similar accuracy and with a similar printable area to the scan volume of many desktop laser 3D scanners. Both structured light and laser 3D scanners use projected light and an offset camera to triangulate points on a scan object. A laser 3D scanner projects laser lines on the object, while structured light projects a focused grid from a digital projector. Structured light 3D scanners can achieve higher accuracy than laser scanning due to the noise caused by laser speckle patterns. Besides the accuracy between measured points and their actual location, 3D scanning systems also vary in terms of resolution, which is the distance between captured points at a given scan distance. This means that details on the scanned object that are smaller than the scanner's resolution won't be captured. In general, structured light scanning provides the best resolution and accuracy, typically slightly higher than laser scanning technology. For some artistic use cases for 3D scanning, you may need a lot of detail, while overall accuracy is less important, especially if you don't require your part to fit precisely with other parts in an assembly. In these cases, photogrammetry is an excellent low-cost option to explore. Accuracy can mean slightly different things depending on the manufacturer and 3D scanning technology. For example, the accuracy of handheld 3D scanners depends on the distance to the subject and the quality of scan reconstruction. While desktop 3D scanners have consistent accuracy within the constrained scan volume, if you're considering buying a 3D scanner for precise measurement, make sure to compare like to like.